going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. The new Road Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Xrp year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And Bitcoin and crypto did get a slight pump, but as I'm doing this video, we are pulling back. But we can look at the actual 10-year yield and see that it's being pushed down, and that's helping stocks and crypto. And I did a video last night with Scaramucci, and he stated that Bitcoin won't become a hedge until it gets at least 1 billion wallets. But guys, we know the Fed prints the money. They control supply and demand on every single asset on the planet. The purpose of Bitcoin was taking out the middleman. Same way when you have a barter system, you're taking out the middleman. Cash enables the actual central banks to stay in control. It's nothing but an IOU. We definitely need to go back to the barter system because once CBDCs are implemented, there's no turning back. All your privacy is going to be out the window. And then, guys, we are days away from the Ethereum merge. And because the Fed is going to be raising rates and running off the balance sheet around the same time, I definitely see us getting a big pullback after the merge. But guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, which are being pushed down. We have volume, Tether, USDC. And we have Warren Buffett put some of that cash in short-term treasury bills. And guys, we know he has about $200 billion sitting on the sideline, the same as Apple. And we know these big banks and corporations are going to put that money to work on this downturn. We already see bots buying up homes. But short-term T-bills are fine. But guys, we know long-term what's going to happen to the U.S. dollar. Plus, we see China selling off treasuries. And then, of course, guys, we have the Fed. And we know Jackson Hole is only a couple days away, giving us forecasts for next month. And guys, we know this is Xrp year plus it's New Year's next month. So over the next 4 months, guys, we're definitely going to have plenty of entertainment. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you, we have midterms also. and the Hegelian dialectic will be ran into the ground. Now, this Thursday and Friday, we know we have futures. So I definitely see a pump this week, Thursday and Friday. And then plus, guys, we're going to walk into open interest next week. We have on the 29th the Euro, Bitcoin, and Ethereum futures. And then we run into open interest. So the beginning of September, we definitely should be fine. And then the Fed is going to let us know what rate hike they're going to give us. Plus rolling off this balance sheet, so we definitely should pull back. And then, of course, guys, we have Grayscale. Move down about 600 million. Make sure you're paying attention to the actual allocations. But getting over into a little crypto news, we had DBS trading platform DDEX saw its trades doubling in June. And guys, of course, that was the start of the mini bull market in this bear market. And we know anytime we receive a rally, we see trading pick up on these exchanges. Now, remember the crypto teacher told you this. The back half, the second half of next year, 2023, we're going to see trading hit new lows on these exchanges. And that's because the Fed is going to be shrinking all this liquidity. And we know that's going to put a beating on the retail investor. Plus, we're going to see layoffs pick up. Remember, guys, 2023 to 2025, that's when they start speeding up this fourth industrial revolution. Now we have PayPal joins the Travel Rule Universal Solution Technology Network, the digital asset travel rule. And Coinbase says that the group is set up to protect your data and privacy. But guys, we know that is the opposite. Now we have Tencent receives a patent for blockchain-based missing person poster. And it took 3 years for them to be awarded this patent. So guys, this is how long we see these countries been working on blockchain and digital currencies. And then we have China rolling out its digital social security card. So we know China and the emerging markets are definitely getting us moved over to the fourth industrial revolution, where the robots, algorithms, and drones take over the economy and the sheep go inside the metaverse. And lastly, we have Andreessen, my guy, invest in Ready Player Me, the metaverse avatar creator. And we know they're going to use games to get Generation Z and millennials into the metaverse. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. Do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. While everybody's sitting at home, get home stocks. The C-Red, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the fourth industrial revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Drama Team Save the Village. Part 2. King Joshua and Drama Team Save New York. COVID-33, Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.